Hi dinos, I've missed you. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. That's me, Kitty. How's everyone doing? Staying at home? I know it's a bit tough and keeping your mask on and your gloves when you go out, but I just want to let my dinos know that I'm so proud of the way that you're handling the coronavirus. So glad my dinos are here to teach the world about keeping social distancing. Not a lot of people are doing that these days, and it's up to my dinos to remind them. Okay, now are you ready for a brand new worksheet? Let's go! First, let's write our name. Great job at writing your name, dinos. It looks amazing. By the way, there's a link in the Show More button beneath to print out the worksheet so we could do this together, dinos. Okay, so let's read the directions. Color the numbers that are similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the numbers that are similar. Today's number is 4. We're going to find all the numbers that look like 4. Let's do this. Is this a 4? No, that's a 9. How about this one? Great job, dinos! I chose purple to color this for. What color did you choose? By the way, that was a great job. How about this one? No, that's a 1. And this number? Great job, dinos! Color in that 4. I use that pretty seafoam green again. Let's keep going. How about this one? Great job, dinos. That's a 4. Do you like the brown I'm using? You're so great at problem solving, dinos. Okay, let's keep going because you're on a roll. Is this a 4? Nope, that's a 3. And this one? Nope, that's a 2. How about this one? Nope, that's a 1. And this one? Great job, dinos! Your brain must be working hard, dinos. That was a hard one. Let's keep going, okay, dinos? You're on the right track. Is this a 4? Nope, that's a 5. And this one? Great job, dinos. You're amazing. Terrific teamwork working together. Let's color in that 4. You're on the right path, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this a 4? Nope, that's a 5. And this one? Great job, dinos. You must have been practicing your 4s. You're doing such a great job at recognizing the number 4. Okay, let's keep going. How about this one? Nope, that's a 3. And this? Nope, that's an 8. How about this one? Nope, that's a 2. How about this? Great job, dinos! I love hearing that you are all working together on this one. Let's keep those brains moving. How about this one? Nope, that's a 6. And this one? Great job, dinos! You must have been practicing. You handled that one so well. Okay, here's the last one. Is this a 4? No, that's a 2. Now that we're almost done, it says here, how many numbers did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many numbers did you color? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it 8. Let's count one more time just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8 that we colored. Let's grab our crayon and write number 8. Great job, dinos! Last, let's not forget to color the big 4. I just wanted to let my dinos know that while you're coloring the number 4, I wanted to say that you stay so calm during this whole entire worksheet, and you should be proud of yourselves. Sensational job, dinos! I knew you could do it because we have each other, and as long as we have each other, we could get through anything.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!